BangMung's gonna teach you how to clean the M1 carbine! Oh yeah.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah. Bang! Mung. Howdy, folks. Welcome back to BangMung at the After Hours. Good. Very dark. You know what's also dark? The wood of this M1 Garan. That's the wrong gun. Fuck. That's the wrong gun. Okay, my knowledge is repaired for once. The wood of this M1 carbine. It's not carbine, it's carbine. Like a fucking baked bean. A bean! Yes! Okay, so to clean this fella, it's just like usual, except for one thing. I'm not gonna fuck with this old button still because it still doesn't want to go in the groove. I try, oh how I try, and try, it just won't fucking budge. So we're just gonna go ahead and make do with what we got. But I have to go get my secret FBI case again, so keep them entertained. Might even get a beverage on that. Okay, I got the case. I'm gonna get a beverage. I am a parched mug. Keep it going.
BangMung gonna get a drink. He gonna get a big drink. BangMung gonna get a big drink. Big drink. Look at that drink. Oh my god, he got the bleeding case. Oh my god. Pilgrims, they're not real.
Okay, we got our refreshment for the day, or the evening. A nice glass of apple cider. Well, with that out of the way, we can go ahead and start with cleansing. So let's go ahead and pop the FBI box. Not opening yet. Don't open it yet. If you do it out of order, you'll kill everyone in the entire bloodline of this reality. And no rag. Hey, fish bait. Gun scrubber! A greasy Earl, welcoming back, and snake. Okay. Where do we start first? Where do we want to start first? Where do we want to start first? I don't know. I don't know where to start first. Barrel. Don't you peek! No! You ain't slick. You ain't greased up enough to slide that bitch over here. No. It's a tiny barrel. Oh, yeah, well, perfectly. Okay. Let's get the adapter. The after hours are a different time. That's why things feel off guard at this moment. At 8:22 p.m. things get crazy. Let's see what happens at 8:30. But first, let's go ahead and the adapter would be nice there. Just diddle 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 do. On there you go. Diddle 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 do. Gotta take a poo. And let's go ahead and saturate it. And I mean fucking drown the bitch. Drown it in the sweet juice and cream on it. Take our little guy and hoist it up to the top. And press. Oh, damn, homie was in there. You in there deep. Dude, motherfucker is in. And I mean in. Okay, time to lower that boy down. Well, maybe not. A good tight clean is a nice happy clean. Means just getting the grime off. Little bubbler in there. You got something to say? Hey, yo, babe. No bundle! Jesus fucking Christ! Noises I never wish to hear again. Volume 4. Alright, get on! Okay, now this just feels like a personal attack from this thing. Twiddling like a twizzler, twiddling like a twizzler. Get on that bitch. Now to reassemble our guy. Now sit down. I creamed on my head. Oh, get out of there. Squirted my hand. I'm not good. Just fucking douse that biff. Douse that biff. And you go. Oh, look at that. It cuts out the back. Right into the damn right into the. Ooh. Ugh. That's a firm fitting fella right there. Yeah, it gets the good friction. I have to hold the bolt open manually because, well, like I've said, that fucking thing doesn't like to work that little button. I don't know why, but I think that's a good couple of passes, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and do another pass.
It's time for the very black tampon.
Polish that barrel while sitting down.
It's not as firm of a fit as I would prefer, but it's not gonna be. We're not gonna be able to tell the difference if it's getting polished or not because, well, it's already fucking dark gray, black, new color invented. Fuck you all. You say you can't invent new color. I just did. Glack. You ain't got nothing on me. Subscribe to BangMung, and you'll get a nice big plate of mashed potatoes along with that new color invented. Beverage break. Very nice. Ooh. Okay, so barrel is. What are you zooming for? Step your ass back. Barrel is nice and clean, but we'll polish with the snake. You always gotta polish. This just gives me a little bit of a final thing. You can't have a BangMung video without a bore snake, unless you're the Rome RG10 22 short revolver. That thing's too shit to get a bore snake. It's the old big cylinder, you know. Yep. Hold this bitch open manually because, well, I have to. And it comes right out. There you go. Clean as a whistle. Dry fire time again. Such a crisp sound that pisses off everyone. Yeah. You're never gonna escape it. Ever. Never clean the outside. Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and oil the gun now.
Gun scrubber. Scrubs the fuck out of that gun. Oh, just look at that fucking scrubber at you, man! Look at that fucking scrubber at you! Oh god, that smells like putrid crack. Okay. Fuck. Dude, that shit smells like ass. You smell it, bro? It's putrid. You just rub the stank in. Like whenever you waffle a shit into the carpet, you know, you're just gonna smear the stank in. No one will ever know. The carpet might smell like 28 Porta Johns at once, but oh my god, it's severe. Oh, gun scrubber, why do you smell like putrid poo? Ew. Alright, to prevent us from being skull fucked by every single one of these fumes out of this gun scrubber stuff, I am not going to use it any further. Go back to Erling. Douse the fuck out of that fella.
Rubby, rubby, rub, rub, rub.
Damn, look at that fucking green just pop. You know how it go. Everyone know how it go. It's BangMung. We oil the fuck out of our gun. We make sure it's ready. And then a little bit of the Erling action on here. A little bit of that action. Coming all over the fuck. And then where it slides here, I'm gonna a little bit of there. I've heard that it's better to use a grease on things that slide like this, but I don't have grease. So just gonna make do. Then a little splotch, or a gigantic fucking splotch up on that top layer there. As usual, this just helps the gun cycle more, makes it easier to do it. Fuck you again with a dry fire. And just get the excess off there. And we're just gonna go ahead and snap, and the gun will be fully oiled. Gun is oiled!
Wow.
It's oily as all fuck. It just looks so good. Oh.
Okay, but here, now we have a bit of a little fancy bit here that I'm able to show you.
These are two M1 Carbine mags as well. Now these were in a bunch of stuff that my dad got off a guy. Just a bunch of ammo, random shit. They happened to be there. Now, when I got them, they were rusty as all fuck. When he got them, I didn't have this at the time I got them. But when he got them, they were all rusty as all fuck. They were in pretty rough shape. But what I've been doing is meticulously, well, for this one I started with sanding it because I had sandpaper to do it. This one I was using a brush and oil. Just scrubbing the fuck out of the rust on it. Still have a little bit of ways to go. Still gotta get the rest of that surface rust off. Still gotta paint them and all that yada yada horse shit. But I might start using them a bit, little by little.
You get your 10 rounders and you get yours, Bella.
But they're gotta be nice and clean and ready to be used again like it's going to the beaches in Normandy. Boom.
But yes, that is the end of this video. And I am the greatness that is soon to be BangMung, about to fart and finish his apple cider. Did it both at the same time. We're very productive here. Subscribe to get more of it. But yeah, I will see you whenever I upload next. Ta-ta!
BangMung.
What the fuck are you still doing here?
BangMung. Your biggest fan. Can I...
Nope.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!